Hey guys, my name is Serban. I own multiple six-figure dropshipping stores, and in this video, I'm gonna give you a step-by-step guide on how to start dropshipping in the UK in 2025. So why UK, you might ask? The answer is very simple, because UK is one of the best markets that you can dropship to. So in this video, I'm gonna go through all of the basics, then I'm gonna show you how to find the absolute best products that you can sell in the UK market. By the way, I want you to know that markets are different. The products that are working in the United States will probably not work in the UK, and the products that are working in the UK will probably not work in Canada. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you in the video. I'm going to show you how you can find the best products that you can sell in the UK market. Other than that, I'm going to show you how you can import those products to your store with only a few clicks. So all you have to do is watch this video until the end and put your seatbelt on. Let's get started. So first of all, why UK, you might ask? The whole UK craziness started back when the US market was exploding. Everyone was profitable with dropshipping in the United States. So the market kind of became ultra saturated. And what do you do when you get to an ultra saturated market? You try to find different markets. Well, naturally, right? And one of the first countries that actually worked was UK. That is why the demand for dropshipping products is very high and the buying power matches this level. It's also very high. That is why the UK looks like the perfect place to start a dropshipping business. So for those of you who don't know what dropshipping is, I'm gonna put it really simple. First of all, you're gonna have to create a store. Now, although that might sound intimidating, we're in 2025 almost, and creating a store has never been easier. You can create a store with the help of AI in less than 2 minutes without knowing anything about creating a store. Second of all, once the store is ready, we're gonna import some products that we're gonna sell in the UK market. Third of all, we're gonna get some traffic to the store, and when somebody buys a product from us and gives us the money, all you have to do is forward the information for that order to our supplier, and the supplier will do all of the dirty work for us. They will send the products to our final customer. We just have to pay the supplier a very small price for the products, and we get to keep the profits. So, is this business model legal in the UK? The short answer is yes, of course. The long answer is yes, but you need to follow some pretty basic ground rules, such as respecting their trademarks. That's not actually a rule. I mean, everybody kind of respects trademarks, so you're not gonna go ahead and sell trademark products. Next up, is dropshipping profitable in the UK? Well, I'm glad you asked that. Dropshipping in the UK is sometimes even more profitable than the US because of the cost to advertise there. The cost to advertise in the UK is sometimes 50% of the cost to advertise in the US. That is a big deal. So the best things about dropshipping in the UK are, first of all, there's a very high customer demand. Second of all, as opposed to that, there's a very low competition. And finally, there are many local suppliers. And the reason why this matters a lot, point number 3, is because everybody's dropshipping from China. And naturally, packets will take a long time to arrive at the final destination. There are times in which customers need to wait for more than 1 month for something they ordered from a random website. And that is why having many local suppliers is such a good thing. Now, on top of that, as you can see right here, the e-commerce sales in the UK has been continuously increasing. So why not jump on such a trend? Alright, so now that I got you on board, the first thing that we need to do is decide on a selling channel. The selling channel is pretty simple. It's the place where you are going to sell stuff. In the big majority of cases, when you're thinking about creating a store, that will be pretty complex and pretty complicated. You need to code and stuff like that. No, that's all false. There are platforms such as Shopify, the one that I'm recommending you today, with the help of which you can actually build a store from scratch in less than 30 minutes. The reason why this is possible is because of its layout. It's very user-friendly and everyone could do it. I think that even my 2-year-old daughter could build a brand new Shopify store all by herself because everything is so simple and you can basically drag and drop every single item. And also, Shopify is the leading platform in the world when it comes to building stores. There are very big brands such as Kylie Cosmetics and Gymshark that are using Shopify to host their stores. Alright, so next up, let me keep my promise to you. I'm gonna actually show you how you can get a brand new 100% free Shopify store built from scratch by AI in less than 2 minutes. And no, if you're wondering, you don't have to put anything such as credit card information or any other type of information. They only need your email and that's it. You're gonna get your store in less than 2 minutes. So the first thing that you need to do in order to get your free store is to go to buildyourstore.ai, click on this button that says build my free store. Next up, all you have to do is put your name and email right here. And finally, just pick a name niche for your store. This will be the niche that our store will be built around. For example, if you want to go with, I don't know, a camping store, the store should look in a certain way. If you want to go with a kitchen store would look different than a camping store, right? You get the feel. It's a different feel. That's why this part is useful. You got to decide what niche you want to go with, so they're going to build your store accordingly. And next up, says right here, AI is crafting our brand new Shopify store for us. It takes less than 1 minute, and you're going to get the login information that looks just like this, and they're going to give you all of the steps. You go there and you input all of that information to your brand new Shopify store, and you can access it. And now that I sparked your curiosity, I want to let you know that all of the stores are different, all of the logos are different, and basically all of the stores are original. Once you log into your Shopify store, you can check your store by going here to online store and clicking on this eye right here, the small eye. This will let you visit your store. And after you're done checking your store, oh, by the way, this is your main dashboard right here. This is the place where you're going to be spending a lot of time, because this is where you control everything about your store. And as you can see right here, we are yet to buy a subscription. But don't worry, there are a few days of a free trial, and then you only have to pay $1 for the first month. So this is an amazing deal. All right, so now we have the store. We have a 1-month subscription locked in. The next thing is for us to decide what kind of products we want to sell. Now, remember in the previous step, we kind of decided on the niche, right? So we know what kind of products we want to sell, but we don't know exactly what products are we going to sell. And now you're going to ask me, but hey, Serban, don't I already have some products from Build Your Store? Because if you go back to Shopify and you click on products on the left-hand side, you're going to realize that Build Your Store has actually imported a lot of products for us. And I want you to know that, yes, those products are very good. They are there. You can use them, but it's not a dynamic thing. It's not going to continue uploading products there. So we're going to have to do that. And this is what I'm going to teach you right now, because I don't just want to give you a piece of fish and you're going to eat it and then I'm going to be gone forever. I'm going to teach you how to fish. And on top of that, winning products come and go in waves. So the product that's working right now, it's making a lot of waves on the market. Everybody's buying it. You can make millions of dollars with it. Maybe in 2 months from now, or in I don't know, 1 month from now, in 6 months from now, that same product will not work anymore. And we're going to have to find another one. This is why you have to polish this skill, the skill of finding new winning products. So when you're talking about finding winning products, there are 2 main ways to do it. There's a manual and an automatic way to do it. The first way would be for you to just go on Amazon and look for trending products. The second one would be for you to go to AliExpress and just scroll the products out there and check which ones of them are being sold the best. They actually have a bestseller section, and you can always see what's trending on the market right there, because 90% of dropshippers are using AliExpress. Now, let's say that we have decided on a product. Let's say it's this product right here. Next up, you're going to see the product page from AliExpress. This is a place where the seller tries to sell his product, and it's going to give you a lot of information about the product. You're going to have lots of pictures, you're going to have lots of text that you can use, a lot of features for the product. You also have description, sizes, and a lot of other things. Oh, also, I almost forgot, you also have the review section. When someone buys the product and puts a review, you can also see that here. All right, now the first thing that you have to do is take the title. Now, as you can see right here, the title doesn't look that good, right? So you cannot just copy and paste this. This is what worked in 2015, 2016. This doesn't work anymore. You can just take this name and put it into ChatGPT and tell it to give you a nice product title, make it shorter. You cannot sell products and you cannot be a presentable brand when you have such a title. Oh, and just as a fun fact, AliExpress is using these horrendous titles just to rank up in the SEO. This is why they are using so many keywords so that their product will appear first when you're searching that keyword, right? It's no pun intended, but you don't have to do like that, because your store will not function SEO based. You will advertise your store. Next up, you have the product description. So you have to scroll down, you have to copy it all, put it into ChatGPT maybe, because this product description is also bad, and get what ChatGPT yields, copy it and paste it to your store. So this is how you can build a nice product page. Next up, you go and download all of the pictures that they have, pick the ones that are right for you and upload them to Shopify. And this is how you can have a nice looking product page. It takes anywhere between 20 and 30 minutes per product page. Now, as opposed to everything that I showed you here, there are automated ways that you can make this work a lot faster. AutoDS is one of them. For example, if you go to AutoDS, they will already give you all of the winning products, so you don't have to do the research by yourself. They have a team that's doing that, and they will post all of the winning products that they can find. By the way, links in the description, you can check them out. They are an amazing platform that will help you a lot with your dropshipping journey. Now, the thing with AutoDS is that when you decide on a winning product, you can just click it and it will tell you how many competitors do you have. You can actually spy on those competitors. So you can click on your competitor and you can see what they are doing. You can see how they are selling that product. What descriptions are they using? What images are they using? So you can get inspired from that. And when you finally decide to sell a certain product from AutoDS, you can just click one button and it will automatically import everything to your store with only one single click. You don't have to do any ChatGPT work, any copy and pasting. You just click one button and they will take care of everything. They have everything built up, the AI functions, the ChatGPT functions, everything, and you can just select what you want to have on your product page and it will automatically import and export everything to your store, so you don't have to do anything. Alright guys, so now we have a store, we have some winning products, and we know how to find more winning products. It's very important. All we have to do now is to actually bring customers, bring in people that are going to actually convert to buyers. For that, we need to do what's called marketing. For example, we need to do one of the most basic forms of marketing, influencer marketing. I'm not talking about Kim Kardashian. I'm talking about the influencers that maybe have 5,000, 10,000 followers. You can go up to them, you can text them and tell them, hey, I have this product right here and I want you to advertise it for me. The way this works is that you're gonna promise them a cut of the money, or you can pay them a fee upfront, or there are many ways that this can work, but this is one of the most basic forms of marketing. You can leverage other people's followers so that your product page will have a lot of visibility. Other thing that you can do is to buy the product for yourself, get it to your home, and actually film some content with the product. This is called the organic way. There's a whole video I can do about this. That's a topic for another conversation, but this is what we call organic marketing, meaning that we're not going to put any kind of money inside of the market. We're just using our time. We're leveraging our time to film content and to put it on platforms such as TikTok or Instagram or YouTube Shorts, and the traffic that's generated organically will actually convert into buyers. And finally, there's a traditional marketing way, which is the paid marketing. You're paying Facebook or Meta or Instagram or YouTube or whatever, you're paying them for eyeballs. They will give you a lot of traffic for the money that you pay them. Now, it depends on the area. United States is more expensive than the UK. UK is more expensive than Belgium, and so on and so forth. It depends on the market that you want to advertise to, but basically this is the way it works. You're paying money to a big company and they will show your ads to some of the people that might be interested in buying your product. That's the easiest way, I would say, but you need some capital for that. And finally, once we have some people that bought our products, we're gonna have to fulfill those orders. So the traditional way would be for you to get all of the information of the person or people that bought your product, copy and paste it and send it to the supplier, because this way they will know where to send the product. So let's say someone buys this product from you, right? Let's say it costs $20. They pay you $20, right? And this product has a name. You're gonna need to tell the supplier, someone bought this product from me, right? This is the order, they need this product, this is their address, this is their name, and this is everything you need to know about them, right? Send the product there, here's the money. And then you pay the supplier for the product, which is like $5. It's a fraction from $20 anyway. You get to keep the $15 and the supplier will do the rest. This part is called fulfillment. Now with fulfillment, when you're just getting started, I would advise you to go with a generic method such as AliExpress or manually sending it to the supplier. But once you start growing, you can work with an agent. That is very important because the agent will have everything set up to your store, so they will be notified every time you get an order. So if you get 20 orders, 100 orders today, they will get 100 notifications and they will know where to send each product, and each notification will be maybe a different product, maybe a different quantity, a different color, and they'll be the ones responsible with sending the products. So that's pretty convenient, right? That's because it is. Working with an agent is a very convenient thing, but it only should come once you start making some money. Alright guys, so this is how you do dropshipping on Shopify in the United Kingdom in 2025. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you have any kind of questions, you can leave them in the comment section. I promise you I will read each and every one of the comments and I will respond to you. Other than that, thanks again for watching and have an amazing weekend. Bye bye.